Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're out here doing a little bit more creek fishing. This is a creek I've fished before on the channel and many times in the past, but I've never fished it really even close to where I am right now. A lot farther downstream than I've ever been. So yeah, normally I would catch brown trout in here, but yeah, I don't know what's going to be down here. It's clear water, it's a flowing creek still. I hope I can get some brown trout, so stay tuned and we'll switch it over to the GoPro. Here's in my cheap Okuma rod again. This is a 5.6 light action, 1,000 size reel. I think it's like 10-pound braid, micro swivel, and then an 8-pound leader. Size 4 Panther Martin, yellow red, silver blade. I'm sure some of you might have guessed I was going to use a Panther Martin. This reel's nice, but I do prefer my 2,000 size Daiwa Procyon. That thing has a faster gear ratio. It's good for fast water, but like if you look at this hole, it's not fast water, so this works fine. So this is a creek I've fished a lot in the past, just never nowhere near where I am right now. I saw some nice beaver pools, and I saw like what could have been trout rising. There was something disturbing the surface. It is warmer, so they could just be bugs, but I'm hoping they're trout, obviously. And I have seen some footprints. One of them looked like it was probably a wader boot, so that's a good sign. Could mean he fishes a lot, or he was doing what I'm doing. I'm just trying to see if there was fish. Good sign. Oh, we got hit, guys. Dang it. We got hit pretty good. We'll do that again. He definitely hit the hook too. He's not gonna come back. Darn it. Okay. I'm guessing it was a trout, but I don't know. Dang it. He smoked it. And he's gone. Alright, that's a good sign. Very, very good sign. That's parked right there, so we're off to a good start. And this is a beaver dam. I don't think it's the one I was thinking of, but it is a beaver dam. Here's the first beaver pond, pool, whatever you want to say. Not even a follow. I'm seeing stuff happening on the top half of this. Bugs or fish movement. Keep seeing all the top water stuff happening right in here. Oh, no. Might go grab my other rod, I don't know. I just got cranked. Dang it, guys. That sucks. Okay. This looks pretty deep. Not much current going, but it's cold, so they could be spread out pretty good. Nothing. I think we're gonna have to go where the current dumps in. Hopefully this doesn't break. They're usually pretty sturdy. They're rising up through here, but I can't really get in, so I'm probably gonna spook a few. Right here, I can probably make it work. I hit the tree. Okay, let's try that again. Got one. It's a good fish. I think it's a trout of some sort. I think it's a brown. Oh yeah, it's a brown. Let's see if we can. Oh wow, that is a solid brown. Look at that fish. Nice brown trout. Whew. Hook came right out. He's got gashes and stuff on him. I'll get him released real quick. Nice. It's like a 13, 14 incher. Not a giant by all means, but solid fish. Okay, there he is. There he goes. I wouldn't be surprised if I got one here. Dang. Got one. Got one, guys. Kind of looks, no, I think it's a brown. There we go. It's actually, oh yeah, it's a decent brown. Let's see if we can get him. Pull him down this way. It's a nice one. Oh yeah, it's a real nice brown. Got him. Oh my gosh. That's a beautiful brown for this creek. Look at that fish. Wow. Looks small on the camera, but he's a pretty big fish. Alright, I got some pictures of him. Might be the cover photo. Alright, he's got like a little kipe going. Beautiful brown trout. And he's off. See him go back in. Nice. My hope was slipping away farther we kept going up, but that one came on. right, guys, we're gonna just keep walking until we get one more fish. I've already walked a while, but we're gonna try and get one more, so we're gonna keep heading up that way. Could be one right here, we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna keep fishing. All right. Could be some in these undercut banks on these trees. If I can get it under. That was decent. Oh, we got hit. Did not feel big, but it was a hit. Darn it. Okay, there's an even better cast. I hit weeds that time. Here we go again. All right. All right, here we are. We're gonna end the video. I said I was gonna try and get one more. I did. I missed two. When I came up to this fence, I would have kept walking, but that's private property, so we're gonna just head back. And yeah, it was a pretty decent day. Caught two brown trout, wild brown trout, both solid for this creek. Yeah, and it just had a ton of missed opportunities, all on the Panther Martin, silver blade, yellow, and red. And yeah, I had fun. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Stay tuned for more content like this, creek fishing, and everything else I do here on the channel. And yeah, thanks again. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and like if you enjoyed. Tight lines, everybody.